Hello everybody, hello my lovely people. You welcome to my channel. This is Mom and Angel TV. You are welcome once again. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, you are welcome to this channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do so, God bless you. God bless you. You're welcome. For my old subscribers, my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. You guys are amazing. You guys are such a wonderful people. I love you all. Thank you so much. Guys, today I'm going to be wishing my good friend, a good friend of mine, happy birthday. So I decided to come and so that me and you guys can wish her happy birthday. Please guys, join me to wish my friend, a good friend of mine. She's very, very wonderful. She's a kind person. She's a lovely person. In fact, hey, this lady, she's all in one. She is all in one. When I mean she's all in one, she is all in one. Okay? She's no more than that person, Mama Marvelous, a sexy lady, a wonderful lady. She did, can't be like, she did, okay? Guys, please wish her happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mama Marvelous. May God bless you, grant you your heart desire, more children, more money. In fact, you are a blessing to your family. I pray God Almighty be with you and your family. In fact, you are the best. You are bomb. When I mean bomb, you are the bomb. A sexy lady. God bless your new age. God will bless your new age. Okay? I'm going to be singing to you, Mama Marvelous. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. I love you, Mama Marvelous. God bless you. You are such a wonderful, wonderful, blessed person. I love you so much. Oh my God. I don't know which word I'll take describe you. I don't know which word I could use to make your day. In fact, huh? Hey, you be woman with sabi. Oh my God. Mama Marvelous, God bless your new age. God bless your new age. As I pray, so shall it be. You are a wonderful person. Oh my God. A sexy lady. Huh? Lady, wait. If you say lady, she did. Okay? She knew herself. Okay, guys? So please help me to wish her happy birthday. May God be with you all the days of your life. All your heart desire, God will grant it unto you. I love you so much. Be who you are, okay, guys? Okay? And bye. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.